Good morning, class here. Welcome to LFCS online class. Dear students, presently we are trying to know deeply about conditional sentence. What is conditional sentence? I have told you in both language, into English and into Hindi, both. Conditional sentence, such type of sentence having two parts. Both parts are known as clauses. First part, you can say one part shows condition, second part shows result. Just I told you, इस तरह के sentences जो होते हैं, उस सेंटेंस के दो पार्ट होते हैं जिसको क्लाज कहा जाता है. एक क्लाज में कंडीशन अप्लाई होता है और दूसरी क्लाज से रिजल्ट मिलता है. और इस पे रूल मैंने आपको मार्क करवा दिया है, जिसे आपको अपनी हेयर कॉपी में लिखना है. Yesterday I told you one exercise. Day before yesterday gave idea, and yesterday I gave you solved exercise for verification. It's my expectation that all of you would have written this exercise one in your copy. It's after this exercise you have to do next two exercises more. Exercise second and fourth, only two exercises. Third exercise has been cancelled. Second exercise, conditional sentence. From exercise second, here we have to fill up correct form of the missing verbs. As pay attention, exercise second. If she catches the first bus, she ... reach in time. यदि वो पहली बस को पकड़ लेती है तो वह समय से पहुंच जाएगी. It means second part of this sentence shows result and belongs future tense. She will reach in time. मैंने इस पे fill up कर दिया है. You have to only write in your fair copy after knowing deeply about the sentence. Everybody would be happy if there will no corruption. There will be no corruption. या बिल भी होगा. हर व्यक्ति खुश हो जाएगा अगर कोई करेक्शन नहीं होगा. थर्ड वन, had she realized the mistake, she यहाँ पर डैश कर दिया, she would repent. फोर्थ वन, ice turns to water if you heat it. फिफ्थ वन, if you do not agree, I will not sign this document. Rest of 6 to 10, these sentences have been cancelled. Exercise 4 also. third has been cancelled. Exercise third has been cancelled. Fourth, you have to do in copy. In the book you are seeing, I have written answers for your help. As you have written clearly, comma, I would read your letter very easily. PDF of these two exercises will be sent to you. Seeing PDF very clearly you will write, very correctly you will write in your fair copy. Thanks, have a nice day.